Hey everyone, Nick here. Today I'll show you the process of recreating your practice sketch to your final artwork. If you watched the previous video, we created this practice sketch on the composition sketchpad. And now we are going to transfer the layout guides easily to your final paper to refine, color, and finalize our lettering artwork. If you haven't watched the previous video on mixing and matching lettering style combinations, the link is in the description below. We'll be using the composition sketchpad of the Lettering Creators Kit and the 5-inch composition ruler. Watch how easy it is to recreate the exact layout from the sketchpad using the markers provided. The first item we'll be using is a page from the composition sketchpad. Each guide layout is designed with edge guide markers. The solid lines are references for layout shapes along the vertical center line. Dashed lines are reference points for shapes that are not along the center line. And the dots are reference points for the center of circular layout shapes, which we will use to cut circular layout shapes. Another item we'll be using is a 5-inch composition ruler. This tool is designed to help you sketch layout guides easily and accurately. You can sketch the layout guides freehand if you do not have the composition ruler. Let's now transfer the layout guides to our final paper. Step number 1 is to draw the vertical center line on your final paper. Step number 2, align the layout's edge guides to the center line, then mark the solid and dashed lines and the dot references. You can tear off the sketchpad's page first to make it easier for you to do this step. Step number 3, recreate your shapes using the composition ruler. Center your composition ruler and mark the top and bottom measurement markers to build your grid. Then start drawing the layout shapes one at a time. In this layout, the first shape is a wave, so align your composition ruler to the center line and draw the waves on the two solid markers. In this layout, we also have the dashed markers, and the shape is for a horizontal line. So center and align the composition ruler to draw the horizontal line of the layout shape. We also have a dot reference. Let's draw our semicircle shape using it. Start by drawing the circular guides. Next, on the dashed marker, draw a line where the horizontal intersects with the curve. Now draw a line from the dot reference to both intersecting points. There, we have our semicircle layout guide exactly like the one in your practice sketch. Step number 4 is to recreate your letters based on the practice sketch. In this step, redraw the letters in the correct sizes, weights, and spacing. Step number 5, refine and add your finishing touches. Ink or color your lettering design, erase the measurement guides, and add the finishing touches. Here is a practice sketch, and here is the final artwork. We were able to recreate the exact layout easily using the guides on the composition sketchpad and the composition ruler. After this, the next step is to prepare your work for sharing on social media, which we'll talk about in the last video. Stunning lettering artworks may require more effort, but when you see the beautiful work and the improvements you've made, it's totally worth it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. The next tutorial is about planning your lettering work and engaging with your audience. If you want to purchase the composition sketchpad, it is included in the Lettering Creators Kit. The links are in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.